Happy Aloha Friday, everyone! In today's video, I will be showing you how to make one of Hawaii's quick meals, fried saimin. You will need 2 packages of instant ramen. Ichiban Original is my favorite brand to use. For the toppings, I will be using some eggs, char siu pork, spam, and green onions. The first thing I'm going to do is boil some water to cook the noodles in. This dish is so quick to whip up, it can easily be done in under 10 minutes. Hold on to your soup base, we're going to use it later on. Once your noodles are done cooking, strain them and set it off to the side. The next thing I'm going to do is scramble the eggs. Pour it into an oiled pan and allow it to cook in a thin layer, almost like a crepe. This will make it easier to cut them julienne style. Once that is done, we will have all of our ingredients prepared and ready to assemble. We got our noodles, our soup base packets that I told you to hold on to, some spam, already cooked char siu pork, my eggs, and green onions. On medium heat, throw in your meats. Since I already bought prepared and cooked meats, all I did is cut them up and now I'm warming them up. Then you're going to replace the meat with the noodles and add about a half tablespoon of sesame oil to give it that yummy roasted flavor. It'll also help with separating the noodles. Now we'll make use of that soup base. I only used 3/4 of one packet. You can save the other one for another batch. Sprinkle the seasoning over the noodles and mix it in well. The seasoning is salty, so be careful not to put too much. To be safe, I recommend tasting as you go. For a more umami kick, you can add about a tablespoon of oyster sauce like I did. Umami means essence of deliciousness in Japanese, and its taste is often described as the meaty, savory deliciousness that deepens the flavor. Toss in the rest of the ingredients, mix well, and it's ready to be served. I'm telling you, this is a really quick dish to whip up for your family. And the best thing is that you can customize it to your family's liking. You can add chicken, you can add steak, you can even put kamaboko, which is an artificial fish cake. And I always like to finish it off with some roasted sesame seeds. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you try it out, or if you are one to make this at home, let me know in the comments down below. I need to hurry up and feed my hangry monster that lives inside my house.
Oh, wow.
Ooh. Nom, 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 nom.